What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Well guys, today's going to be a pretty special one because for the first time ever I'm going to be checking out Long John Silver's, and it's actually perfect timing because they're introducing something to their menu that's been revamped from the ground up, so I'm super excited about that. But first things first, we got to set ourselves up to that drive-thru, so let's do just that and then we'll get into it.
Hi, welcome to Long John Silver. Would like to try fish and shrimp platter today?
No thanks, but how you doing?
I'm good, and yourself?
Pretty good, pretty good. Peep this out. I wanted to get that new $6 chicken basket meal, please.
And then, did you want to add a drink? It does not come with a drink.
Oh no, that's fine.
No problem. Will that be all for you today?
That's it, thanks.
Alright, just one of the chicken baskets with the brats.
Yes, actually, you know what? What sauces do you guys have for the chicken?
All those sauces are going to be at the second window. I believe we have ranch barbecue sweet and sour. We'll see you there.
Beautiful, thank you. All right, so guys, all new chicken tenders over here at Long John Silver. So it's out with the old, as in the old frozen style the way it used to be, and now we've got thawed all white meat chicken that's hand battered in store, but before all that, it's marinated for 24 hours. A banging situation. I can't wait to give this one a shot.
Hello,
Hey.
chicken basket.
Yeah, you got it. Have you tried it yet?
Yeah.
So is it like a serious difference? The hand battered goodness, it's like really fresh, right?
Pretty good.
I'm excited, I'm
Do
excited.
you want any sauce? We have barbecue sweet and sour.
You know what? Let's do a barbecue and ranch, please. Gotta do ranch at least. It's my all-time favorite.
Okay, here you are. You enjoy, okay?
Beautiful, appreciate it. You have my card too, right?
Yes.
The card?
I didn't give it back to you?
You did. I'm excited about this chicken right now. It's all good.
You enjoy.
Stay frosty. We'll see ya. Bye. All right, guys. The bag is secure. Let's peep this out. Welcome to Peep This Out Reviews with Ian K.
Stay frosty.
Yeah, buddy, lots of fried, crispy, golden brown goodness on the inside of this one, guys. This platter is looking pretty nice for $6. Feast your eyes on this, guys. It fills out this container pretty nicely. Let me break it on down for you fully before we get right into it. So here we go for the first time on Peep This Out Reviews, Long John Silver's all-new $6 chicken basket. A lovely situation, guys, featuring 2 pieces of chicken, 2 hush puppies, and 1 individual side. And in this case, it's going to be a bed of fries, a lovely thing indeed. And of course, with those hush puppies right there, fried up to a crispy golden brown, featuring the cornmeal batter, all that goodness. But the star of the show is easily going to be the chicken, obviously, guys. I mean, look at the size of those 2 strips right there. A lovely situation. And again, just like I mentioned through the drive-thru, it's replacing the older version that was typically frozen and then thrown into the fryer. In this case, this new version is going to be thawed all white meat that's been marinated for 24 hours, where it's hand battered before it's fried to a crispy golden brown, and the result should be juicier and crunchier across the board, guys. And again, a lovely presentation. For dipping, as you also heard me order, I'm going to be getting some creamy ranch dressing, and it looks like we've got some name brand Sweet Baby Ray's action to go in on. So a lovely situation there. But guys, again, presentation wise, a lot of crispy goodness, and for $6, this is filling out this container pretty nicely. Let's see if the flavor is going to deliver on it. This is the all new $6 chicken basket over at Long John Silver's. Let's peep out this flavor. So yeah, guys, one of the kings, if not the king of the fast food fish game since 1969 is rocking some brand new chicken tenders over here. And I gotta say, a lovely situation. I guess a little bit of surf and turf, right? So I'm definitely digging how this looks. Let me start off really with one of the fries really quick here, just because I haven't had Long John Silver's in a very, very long time, actually. Let's give it a shot first, and we'll get into the hush puppy, and of course the main star of the show, that chicken. Let's peep this out. Crispy, crunchy. Just the right amount of saltiness. Very nice little classic fry for you. Nice potatoey inside. That's actually not bad. Take a look at that. Obviously it goes good with the fish and chip situation. These are very nice. But as we're making our way up, a little hush puppy action right here. These always go great with seafood, but naturally anything with fried goodness along with the chicken, I'm here for it. Let's give it a shot and see how this one is. Absolutely. That's pretty dense on the inside. Combination of cornmeal batter, a little bit of flour maybe, some salt, maybe a little bit of sugar, if that. Nice coating on the outside. Very, very nice on this. It's actually really good. It gets better as you keep chewing it. Oh yeah. That's a hearty little sucker. I should have got a couple of these extra for the ride home. I'm up in Bakersfield, California right now checking out Long John Silver's. A little bit of a trek, but man, it's worth it so far for this crispy action. Let's keep going. Banging. All right, so as tasty as that was, we're here for the main star of the show. So let me pick up one of these shanks here because that's actually what it's reminding me of. These are long shanks of chicken, guys. Look at that. That is lovely. You can tell, hand battered in store. This is definitely not a pre-made frozen situation. Freshness is on point. Very hot in my hands here right now. And I gotta say, this presents beautifully. It almost looks like a piece of fish, piece of cod maybe, something like the fish and chips action. Very, very nice. Let's give this a shot. It's the all-new chicken strips over here at Long John Silver's. Let's peep this out. Crunchy. That is nice. All white meat action. Fairly juicy as well. Just the right amount of saltiness. Man. Very nice, guys. Wow. Talk about giving a run for the money for the other guys. This is really tasty. That hand battered goodness makes a huge difference with this. And as you can see, it is a lovely situation. Let's keep going in. That crunch is banging on this. Wow. Well, it was worth the trip up to give this a shot. Man, coming from Pasadena, California, about 113 miles, this is a lovely situation right now. Super juicy. Look at that. You can see that kind of glistening in the sun right there. That is a beautiful situation. So let me get into a little bit of ranch with this one because you gotta do ranch. I mean, come on, it's fried chicken, so to speak. Well, it is fried and it's chicken, so it's fried chicken. Let's go for a little bit of their version of ranch. So put just a little bit on there. We'll get into that Sweet Baby Ray's in just a second. But guys, a lovely situation so far. I am enjoying this. You hear that crunch? I know you do. Man, that's a banging situation. Very tasty. All right, let's do a little Sweet Baby Ray's with this one here. This is some name brand goodness right here. This is not a generic barbecue sauce, so you know this is gonna be lit up pretty beautifully. Man, Long John Silver's is doing it up with this. Very, very nice. Let's give this a shot. Nice and thick, very thick. And I believe this one was the hickory, what do we have here? Hickory brown sugar barbecue sauce. Very nice. Look at that action. Soaks it up into the nooks and the crannies. A lovely situation. Very hearty. Let's keep going in. Oh. Sweet Baby Ray's. You really are sweet, baby. Oh, man. That is awesome. Well, guys, I gotta say, this was worth the trip to give this a shot. Great quality overall. I have to say, a lovely situation. I'm definitely digging the whole option that they have here for this chicken. Very, very nice. Just so you guys also know, they've got a reward system in place, as you're probably seeing on the screen here right now, called the Secret Society, with a little play on the word secret. Very cool there. And basically, you can find out all about this from their website. I'll put it down below. The basic breakdown is you get 4 coins for every $1 spent over here at Long John Silver's, and you can use that to redeem on a variety of items. But guys, I have to say, the food is pretty banging in the chicken department for sure. So you already know Long John Silver's is one of the kings in the fast food fish game since 1969, but with this revamped chicken situation, I am totally digging what they've got going over here. So I appreciate them reaching out to me to partner up to give this a go for you guys right now, and I gotta say, very appreciative of that. Thank you so much, Long John Silver's. A banging situation indeed. So let's go for one more bite. We'll wrap up this little quickie look at the latest over here with them, and then we'll finish this one out here. But guys, a lovely situation. And again, this was worth the trip to come on up to give this a shot because the chicken is ultra fresh, it's juicy, it's crunchy, and again, you gotta love hand battered action that's fresh in store. A banging situation. Let's go for one more bite and we'll wrap this one up. Hang on. I know you heard that crunch, right? Come on. And here's one more shot of the other one, guys. You're gonna get some nice quality with this chicken over here, and I gotta say, it really gives the other guys a run for their money. This is a really nice, high quality piece of goodness, and I have to say again, the crispy, crunchy action with this, the hand battered goodness, you can really taste it beautifully, and just overall the right amount of saltiness. A lovely situation indeed, and part of a $6 basket with 2 hush puppies and a side. That's not a bad deal whatsoever, guys. A high recommendation to give this one a shot. On the real. Yes, sir, this was definitely worth the trip, and I think you guys can tell that all throughout the review, guys. This was a very tasty situation right now, and shout outs again to Long John Silver's for reaching out to partner up on this one here. I'm glad I was able to give this a shot for you guys and show it to you officially. A lovely situation. I'd highly recommend you give this a go. Naturally, you can check out all the goodness over on the Long John Silver's website. I'll have that down below, and naturally in the app as well. There's delivery on it as well too. But guys, a banging situation. So should you give this one a shot? Absolutely you should. It's highly worth your time and definitely something very tasty. And again, the juiciness, the crunchiness, and the overall freshness of the hand battered goodness. And I gotta say, the seasoned goodness of the chicken itself, marinated for 24 hours before it's hand battered in store. A lovely situation. You can taste the freshness. It's easily worth your time. Oh, and those hush puppies are pretty banging as well on top of the fries. Just overall, a very tasty value for $6. Definitely give this one a shot. Alright, so do me a quick favor like always. Drop those comments down below. Let me know what you thought of the all-new $6 chicken basket over here at Long John Silver's. Does it look like it was a pretty tasty situation to you? Does the chicken look like it was super fresh? Because I can tell you, it absolutely was. How excited are you to give this one a shot if you've got them in the area? And if you don't have them in the area, are you going to be doing a small road trip to give it a go? Drop those comments down below and definitely let me know. And with that, this is Ian K closing out another high-quality foodie feature for you here on Peep This Out Reviews, bringing you brand new content every single week here on my channel. So why stay tuned for the next review coming real soon. In the meantime, stay frosty. Hey guys, I'd like to take a quick moment to thank all of our YouTube channel members and Patreon supporters. Guys, thank you so very much for your monthly contribution to the channel. It's because of your direct support that the channel continues to grow, and you really do help me to keep delivering the content that you want to see. I couldn't do it without you, and I seriously appreciate the love and support. Thanks again for all you do and for being such a big part of our positive community here on the platform. Hey, thanks for checking out this review, guys. But just in case you didn't see the one I did before this one, you can find it right up over here, along with what I think YouTube's going to recommend for you to check out as well. As always, I think you'll find something to like in both of them, and I'll definitely catch you in the next one. See ya.